Hey, what's up and welcome back to Easy Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your PC. Whether you are getting ready for online meetings or virtual hangouts, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. Before we dive in, if you find tutorials like this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you will never miss a new video. Alright, let's get started. First thing we want to do is go to Google and type in Zoom. After that, click on your first result. This is a Zoom. Make sure that we can accept cookies. And you can go here and make sure that you are here on this website, zoom.com. And after that, go down, all the way down. And you can see download. Over here, you can download Zoom for your PC. This is the workplace app. For Rooms browser extension, Outlook, and so on. But we are installing now for PC, so click this Zoom Workplace app and accept cookies and download over here these 64 bits. Desktop, click Save, and you can see that the download is complete. On your desktop, you can see your download, so just double click it, and it says the installation was successful. And you want to keep this checked, automatically keep Zoom Workplace app up to date. This is very important so you don't get any bugs. So click done. And now you can join a meeting, sign up or sign in with your credentials. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more videos like this and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.